In the realm of Sanskrit, vikara represents negative emotions that frequently arise within our minds. These emotions may manifest as calm, lust or selfish desire, krodha, that is anger, lobha, that is greed, moha, that is attachment, mada or pride, and matsara, that is jealousy. When these emotions become overwhelming, they can lead to feelings of sadness, distress, and even contribute to depression or illness. To discover inner peace and harmony, it becomes important to guide our minds towards experiencing the state of yoga or unity of the mind. This can be achieved by first understanding the existence of the 8 beautiful yoga states of the mind and then accepting them through the practice of meditation. Are you ready to start this mind purification and strengthening journey? Begin by closing your eyes gently and allowing yourself to detach from the outside world. Take a deep, soothing breath and let your body relax completely. Now softly repeat the Akshar mantra with me 11 times, giving yourself ample time to absorb its positive vibrations. Repeat in a slow, gentle manner. Allow the sound of the mantra to resonate within you as you say it aloud or silently in your mind. Sasham krupe sadaksha, 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 Sasham krupe sadaksha. Keep your eyes closed. Focus your mind on your breath, making it the center of your attention. Observe how the breath flows in and out. And let's now experience the first mind yoga. First letter of Akshar mantra is Sa, represents Sajagata, that means present moment awareness. Become aware of the sensations in your 5 senses. Listen to the sounds around you with your ears. Experience the sensation of light by keeping your eyes closed. Breathe in and notice the fragrance around you. Feel the taste on your tongue by touching the tip of the tongue to various parts in your mouth. Sense the touch on your skin, starting from top of your head to the tip of your toes. Through these senses, you gain knowledge of the world around you. Stay aware for a moment. So nice. Let's move on to the next stage. Second letter of Akshar mantra is Sha, and the technique is Shanti, that means peace of the mind. Continue to observe your breath. Notice how it enters and leaves your body. Observe the subtle touch of the breath in your nostrils during inhalation and exhalation. Be mindful of the gentle movements of your body with each breath. Feel any temperature changes that may occur during the process. By focusing on your breath, your mind will gradually become thoughtless, leading to a state of mental calmness. So nice. Next, let's delve deeper with the third letter M that connects us with Manadarshana Yoga. That means see your mind. Now pay close attention to your thoughts and emotions. Take a note of what inspires you, your capabilities, as well as what troubles you, your worries and fears. Your mind embarks on a journey through various subjects. Keep your focus on what is going on in your mind during the day. This will guide you on the path of progress in life. Now let's proceed to the next step with fourth letter Kru, Kritagya Bhav. That means being grateful. Recall moments of joy and gratitude in your life. Remember the good people and the positive events you have experienced. Express sincere gratitude for these blessings. Next is yoga of love or unconditional love that is revealed by the letter Pre, that means Prema Yoga. Take your right palm to your heart for some time and feel your heartbeats. Notice how the rhythm of your heart becomes evident when your mind is calm and you are connected to your natural breath. This connection with your heart will awaken the love within you, leading to greater love and compassion in your life. So nice. You can take back your right palm. Next letter in Akshar mantra is Sa, and the technique is Satya, that means truth of life. Gently direct your mind from the head to the feet. Observe the various sensations in each part of your body. You will observe that there are many trigger sensations in all our body parts, and all the sensations are not steady. They are of changing nature. By observing these sensations, you will gain a deeper understanding of the truth of life, that everything changes and nothing is permanent. So one should focus on his karma with non-attachment. Seventh letter is the, and the technique is Dayaluta, practice of compassion. Being loving and compassionate means caring about ourselves and others, accepting each person as they are without being critical. Let's be kind to ourselves and those around us. We all have different ways and ideas to make our life better. So let's be understanding and show love to everyone, no matter the situation. And finally, the eighth letter is Akshar, that is Kshama. Let's explore the power of forgiveness. Forgive yourself wholeheartedly for any wrongdoings. And in the same spirit, forgive others for their mistakes. This practice will free your mind from the weight of the past and pave the way for a new beginning. Sasham Krupe Sadaksha, Sasham Krupe Sadaksha, Sasham Krupe Sadaksha. Open your eyes and slowly return back to the awakened state, conscious state of your mind. See you. Take care. Have a good day.